Oh, here we go. Raven's Mill, the blood harvest. We'll see how this is. Tractor. Here we go. Oh, I don't think it's Candy's Sweet-tacular celebration anymore. Oh, wow. Dude, this is using the Gwazi infield. That's huge, man.
This is dope.
This is really big.
Oh, look at Chico's mid.
Oh, wow. Sheikah's mid-killer.
Yeah. That's fun. That's scary, huh? I've always been back. Look, well, like a handful amount of time.
I don't think you'll make it fast.
Hello there. Look at y'all. So sweet.
Oh my god, it's like the epic universe build they're gonna have.
Oh, yeah. Hold on.
Just about the fire. Oh, that's so
Whoa, dude. That was good. That was... Wow. Oh. Y'all seem happy. Y'all seem so happy. Oh, look at you. You're a trooper, man. Ooh.
the anti-rollback song.
The anti-rollbacks on Sheikah. Why, hello there.
That was good!
Oh, no.
From the Rose Coast.
Oh. Oh. Ooh. Dude. That was good. That was good. Oh. Dude. Oh. Wow. Dude. Look at this, yo. Wow. Oh, that was the best scare zone by far.
That was the best.
That was the best scare zone by far.